All right, let's go and dive into the numbers of what's been going on in the Chicagoland real estate market for the week ending February 21st, 2024. So, in terms of closed properties, homes that have sold this past week, we had 1,466, up from a week ago when we only had 1,100, but down from a year ago at this time, but only slightly. But huge jump in listings going under contract. So the spring market is definitely upon us. It's not just the weather, but the real estate market has been heating up, where we have 3,196 homes go under contract last week. That is a huge jump from a week ago and a year ago when we only had 2,566 homes go under contract. So, a good sign that this market is already showing better signs than last year. Now, the big news is a huge jump in new listings hitting the market, 4,864. That is almost 5,000 homes hitting the market, and that's a 25% increase over a week ago and a 16% increase from a year ago at this time. So, a huge jump, and that's only the second time that we've had year over year growth for new listings this year so far. So, uh, then we have active listings taking a bump up as well, because even though we had a lot of homes go under contract with almost 5,000 new homes hitting the market just last week, we are at 33,675 homes currently on the market for sale in all of Chicagoland. So we are bouncing off the low here when we only had 31,734. So a great sign there as well that we're coming off the lows and there are more homes. But maybe the most encouraging sign is median sale prices, $300,000, up from 265 last year. That's over a 10% increase year over year for this week. Now, granted, you're going to see some spikes, but the best thing with this graph is looking year over year, and we're constantly seeing the blue, which is the most recent year, is always significantly higher than the green, which was a year ago at that time. So that is what's going on in the Chicagoland real estate market. If you have any questions about what's going on in your neighborhood or with your house, please reach out to me. I would be happy to get you a no obligation market analysis so you know exactly what's going on with your home's value or with your neighborhood. So, as interest rates are still staying stable here in the mid high 6% for a 30-year fixed, we are anticipating rates to drop more so in the middle slash end of this year. But a lot of people are getting a jump and thinking about refinancing in the future or potentially getting an adjustable rate mortgage for 7 or 10 years with that lower interest rate so then they can refinance sometime in the future. So, again, if you guys have any questions about home selling, home buying, investing in real estate, reach out to me. I'd be happy to be your advisor throughout that transaction. So, have a great day, everyone. I will see you next week.